let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
Alright, welcome back, lifers. It's the morning after we missed that doe the other afternoon. We're gonna go out and try to get a little bit of redemption this morning, maybe come across a deer or two, hopefully. But it's 6:20 right now. We're kind of just, I haven't been to this spot in the morning yet, so I think what we're going to do is we're going to kind of scout our way in. I don't really know how the sign's been laid out in here other than the few early season sits, and there really wasn't a whole lot going on. I'm also waiting on my uncle to text me, make sure he's not going to be hunting across the creeks from me. Just to kind of see, make sure we got plenty of parking and all that right down in here where we like to park. He ain't texted me back yet, so I don't think he's coming, but I'm not sure. But we're going to go out here. There's not much wind this morning, so that's another reason I'm going to kind of wait till daybreak and just kind of move in real slow, real quiet, where I can kind of see a little bit better, not having to make a bunch of noise, shine my light around, all that, and just kind of figure out where we need to get set up. I usually wait a little later in the year to do stuff like that. Usually I'll walk in, wait till gun season, and just do it with the gun, because it's a little bit easier if you walk up on something. But I feel like it's a little bit better if we go ahead and wait instead of trying to walk in the dark, and just kind of, I think we'll get in a little bit cleaner with a little bit of daybreak starting to happen, where I'm not having to shine my light as much, or I can use it on a lot lower setting. But we're going to get in the woods. Next thing y'all see is when it's breaking day and the setup we're in. So stick around. Hopefully we get one. Hope y'all enjoy. Well, alright guys, we're set up. Y'all can probably hear the coyote. He apparently come across the trucks where we parked them off the side of the road. But that's the second coyote. The other one just kept going that I was going to shoot at, just kept going that way. But hopefully this sucker shuts up pretty quick. Hopefully y'all can hear him. He's just barking. You'll hear him actual howl at it every once in a while. But he's going crazy. Kind of bumps down the expectations of seeing anything. But we're going to sit tight in case they push something around. You never know. We'll let y'all know if anything comes through. Kind of show y'all the setup. thought it was a group of pigs. It was a group of otters. I don't know if I got any of them on video. I was trying to turn the camera on. Hopefully I did, because that's kind of funny. Alright guys, we're getting ready to head out. It's a pretty interesting morning. Almost shot the one coyote. Saw two. And then I never got the otters on film. They just came through, running through. But I tried to as quick as I could. But seen 6 otters, 2 coyotes, just about everything in North America except a deer. But we're going to go ahead and get out of here. We'll try to get back out this afternoon. But stick around. We're going to get one on the ground for you guys. Alright guys, so the intro to this video is going to be a little bit different. We're kayaking into the spot. We got a good little ways to go. So, decided to do the intro on the way in. We're going to sneak our way up through some creeks and try to get in, basically in their bedroom. So, with it being pre-rut, they're getting on their feet. We're going to slip back and try to turn it back in their bedroom. But we're going to get on back here and we'll kind of show y'all going through the creeks and whatnot. But we got a decent little paddle ahead of us, probably about 600-700 yards. But we'll get back there. We got out here plenty early enough to slip back there, and that's the plan. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get back there in the bedroom. We just got set up down in here. We got ourselves tucked up in this underbrush. It's kind of a fallen tree and stump and stuff right here. But we're just kind of watching this section. We slid back in here in the kayak. We got back in here. We're kind of more towards where I think their bedroom is. Kind of between food and their bedroom, I guess. But we're just going to sit tight and hope something rolls through this afternoon. Alright guys, it's been completely dead in here since I shot that Bobcat, but just after there were some gunshots on the private not far from here. Still hoping something runs through at last light. We got about 30 to 40 minutes left, right about an hour, good camera light. So, well, we got like an hour and probably 20 minutes of shooting light, but we got about 45 minutes to an hour of good camera light. We're just gonna sit here, sit tight, and hope something rolls through in the last little bit. Looking pretty slim, but at least we got some predator control out of the way. But we'll show y'all guys if anything else comes through. Alright guys, we're at the last little bit of light. We're gonna kinda start getting ready. We're not gonna do it too quick though. I'm just gonna make sure I have all my stuff where once it does get dark enough that I know where it's at. But we're gonna sit tight this last few minutes, kinda get all our stuff gathered around us, and get ready to head out if nothing comes through. But remember, like and subscribe. Thank you for being a lifer. Thank you for sticking around for my hunts. Hope y'all enjoy.